This is Project Daywalker, an ECD custom Defender 110 built to our client's exact specifications. Project Daywalker is painted in full gloss Carpathian grey. Project Daywalker sits on 20-inch Kahn Retro Mondial wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This Defender 110 features a 6-point full external roll cage, tubular front bumper with worn winch, 5 Hella LED rectangular minibar lights in the front and 2 in the rear. On the inside, Project Daywalker features a Nardi Challenge steering wheel with all-American gauges, Recaro orthoped front and mid-row seats, and 4 inward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is wrapped in double vertical diamond hides Porsche Nappa, black leather stitched together in black. This Defender 110 is powered by our GM LT1 engine with 10-speed auto transmission. This Defender 110 also features an array of modern elements such as floating halo, style Alpine stereo with focal, premium sound, Apple CarPlay, rear AC and access to USB connection.